Some survey sites reject users before they answer a single question, while others focus on matching available studies quickly instead of sending you through endless screening pages. Choosing the right platform can save time, even if no survey site can completely eliminate disqualifications. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 survey platforms that are known for smoother qualification processes and what to expect before you sign up. First is Prolific. Prolific is built around academic research instead of traditional market research. You complete a detailed profile when you join, and researchers invite participants who already match their study requirements. That means you usually know you're eligible before starting a study instead of answering several minutes of screening questions only to be rejected. Keep your profile updated because researchers rely on that information when sending invitations. Second is Include Research, Connect Data. Like Prolific, Connect uses participant profiles to match studies before they appear in your dashboard. Many available tasks are research studies from universities and organizations, so you spend more time completing paid work and less time answering qualification questions. Turn on notifications because popular studies can fill quickly. Third is YouGov. YouGov asks profile questions when you create your account and uses that information to send surveys that fit your background. You can still encounter occasional screening, but many invitations are targeted from the beginning. Completing your profile fully increases the chances of receiving relevant surveys. Fourth is Pinecone Research.de. Pinecone is known for sending product research surveys to members who fit specific categories. Instead of browsing a large list of surveys, you typically receive invitations that already match your profile. Membership availability changes throughout the year, so you may need to wait if registration is temporarily closed. Finally, there's Paid Viewpointing. Paid Viewpoint starts with short trait questions that build your profile over time. As your profile becomes more complete, the platform aims to send surveys that better match your characteristics, reducing unnecessary screening compared with many traditional survey routers. One thing to remember is that no legitimate survey site can promise zero demographic screening forever. Research projects always have specific participant requirements. The difference is whether those requirements are checked before you begin, or after you've already spent several minutes answering questions. To sum up, Prolific and Cloud Research Connect are strong choices for research studies. YouGov and Pinecone Research rely heavily on profile matching, and Paid Viewpoint improves matching as you build your account history. Start by completing every profile section accurately, then compare which platform sends you the most relevant invitations. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more ways to earn money online without wasting your time.